Here are some examples of compound complex sentences. Even though he prefers to eat with a fork, he chooses to use chopsticks in Chinese restaurants. However, they aren't easy to use. Independent clause. He chooses to use chopsticks in Chinese restaurants. Independent clause. They aren't easy to use. Dependent clause. Even though he prefers to eat with a fork. I usually use a pick whenever I play the guitar, or I just use my fingers. Answers for exercise 1. 1. I did not know that this food was meant only for the staff. Sentence type. Complex sentence. Main clause. I did not know. Subordinate clause. That this food was meant only for the staff. 2. She is innocent, so she has appealed to the court. Sentence type. Compound sentence. Main clause. She is innocent. Main clause. She has appealed to the court. 3. If you are not ready with the song, it is better to let them know. Sentence type. Complex sentence. Main clause. It is better to let them know. Subordinate clause. If you are not ready with the song. 4. She will come home or I will stay back at her place. Sentence type. Compound sentence. Main clause. She will come home. Main clause. I will stay back at her place. 5. In the evening, I am going to the park. Sentence type. Simple sentence. Main clause. I am going to the park. 6. The sun looks amazing today. Sentence type. Simple sentence. Main clause. The sun looks amazing today. 7. I remember the day that we met very well. Sentence type. Complex sentence. Main clause. I remember the day very well. Subordinate clause. That we met. 8. Nithi is not keeping well, yet she decided to go to work. Sentence type. Compound sentence. Main clause. Nithi is not keeping well. Main clause. She decided to go to work. 9. After they reach the hotel, they will inform us. Sentence type. Complex sentence. Main clause. They will inform us. Subordinate clause. After they reach the hotel. 10. We are going to the park. Sentence type. Simple sentence. Main clause. We are going to the park. Answers to exercise 2. 1. My mother is sick. My mother is going to the doctor. My mother is sick, so she is going to the doctor. 2. Jibban has gone to Hyderabad. Jibban has not found any jobs yet. Jibban has gone to Hyderabad, but he has not found any jobs yet. 3. Nalini was not satisfied with her birthday dress. Nalini wore it anyway. Nalini was not satisfied with her birthday dress. However, she wore it. 4. Jaffer called me yesterday. I was not able to attend his call. Jaffer called me yesterday, but I was not able to attend his call. 5. Tina had to present the paper today. Nancy volunteered to do it. Tina had to present the paper today. Instead, Nancy volunteered to do it. 6. It was raining the whole day. We decided to go to the park. It was raining the whole day. However, he decided to go to the park. 7. Firoz will pick you up. We will book a cab for you. Firoz will pick you up, or we will book a cab for you. 8. Nobody knew where to go. We asked some random people for directions to the hills. Nobody knew where to go, so we asked some random people for directions to the hills. 9. Let them know. You will have to suffer the consequences. Let them know or you will have to suffer the consequences. 10. My mom was cleaning the house. I helped with the plates. My mom was cleaning the house. Meanwhile, I helped with the plates. Answers for exercise 3. 1. You speak up. Nobody is going to know. Unless you speak up, nobody is going to know. 2. You are the only friend. You taught me right from wrong. You are the only friend who taught me right from wrong. 3. I was not happy. I went to the reception for the sake of my friend. Though I was not happy, I went to the reception for the sake of my friend. 4. You do not finish it. You will have to face the consequences. If you do not finish it, you will have to face the consequences. 5. I do not know the person. He owns a brand new Mercedes-Benz. I do not know the person who owns a brand new Mercedes-Benz. 6. My brother does not watch animation movies. My brother liked Kung Fu Panda. Even though my brother does not watch animation movies, he liked Kung Fu Panda. 7. I don't think I will be able to make it. I missed the bus. I don't think I will be able to make it because I missed the bus. 8. You should do it. I will have to ask Praveen to do it. Either you should do it or I will have to ask Praveen to do it. 9. There are no trains available. We took a flight. As there were no trains available, we took a flight. 10. Seetha finishes her work. Seetha will be on her way. As soon as Seetha finishes her work, she will be on her way.